Hi everyone, for those of you in Lightroom that struggle with triptychs, I've put together 3 presets in this video for you. There's a square, portrait and landscape option, and I'll show you how to import them and then just dragging the images in and showing you how to use them. There's a link in the description below, so once you've had a look through the video, go to the link and you can download the presets. So here we are in the print module in Lightroom, and we've got some images here ready to come in. So we're going to go over to the templates area, and if we just scroll up to the Lightroom templates, we'll just collapse that. And then go to use the templates, right click on it, and then go to import. Go to where you've saved the templates, highlight those and click on import. You'll see they come in, they're already 1600 by 1200, and there are the 3 options for you as well. So just click on one of those and they will come up straight away. This one's the square one. And on the right hand side there's a stroke there, you can turn that off if you want. We have options for grid, so turn those on and off as you wish. There is also all your guide options there as well. We can leave those and then come down just to the background colour here. We've got black set, but you can click on that and then just change it to any colour you want. Going further down, this is the print module here, so print to, make sure that's set to JPEG and not printer. We're going to output this as a JPEG file. A little bit further down, this is the custom file dimensions, so this comes in automatically. Change this if your DPIs need to be a different size. It does also change things in page setup, so don't worry about that. So we're dragging the images in and they just go straight in as a drag and drop, as simple as that. We can also resize these if you want to, so just click on one, drag a corner and do whatever you wish with those. If you want to use the grid to get snapping work in, then do that as well. You can also change them to rectangles. If you want to reset it, go back to match photo by right clicking. Coming back over here, we can actually reset that, so if we mess things up we can just reset and drag them back in again. Let's have a look at a landscape, and again just drag them in. It's really very simple if you've got your images already set for the ratios that you need. So again, just make sure you're in JPEG file and you just go to print to file at the bottom there and go to your folder where you normally save things, give it a name and then just click on save like we're doing here. And it's as simple as that. What you may want to do is re-import it into Lightroom so that if you want to put the author and title in, most PDIs want that. And here's the actual preview of how that went out as a save. So a lovely black background, key lines around the images, all in line, very simple. If you do any of your own changes, just make sure they're nicely lined up. So I hope you find these templates very useful. Just dragging and dropping is all you need to do. If your dimensions are a little bit different, then you can resize those if you wish.